How to unblock blocked websites using Google Translate. If you are on a highly restricted computer, like a library or school PC, where you cannot change system settings or install software, you can use Google Translate as a brilliant built-in bypass tool. Because network filters see the web traffic coming directly from Google's highly trusted servers, they rarely block the connection. Open your web browser and navigate to translate.google.com. In the left text box, paste the full URL of the blocked website you want to visit. Click the clickable link that generates automatically in the right-hand translation output box. Google will load the target web page directly inside its own translation interface, cleanly bypassing the local network filter. Visit easytechguides.com for more step-by-step tech guides and tutorials.